let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end. People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a one-boy cuddly toy, my.
Welcome to week 1 of What's in the Fridge with our guest star,
Marie Reimer.
Alright, let's check out what's in the fridge today. Ooh, mystery bag number 1.
Assorted pudding.
Alright, for my flavors I got a lychee pudding. That could be interesting, and then just strawberry.
I got mango and kiwi.
I got mangosteen and apple.
That just sounds appetizing. Alright, let's dig in.
2 hours later.
Oh, water just came out of it.
Just stab it with your fork.
Oh my.
Really
God.
Oh, there's chunks in it.
Oh, okay. That's really
Ew.
gross.
Oh my God, feel that. Feel it. Feel it.
Oh no. You guys ready to dig in?
No.
Alright. It's interesting, that's for sure. The texture really gives it something. Alright, you guys gotta dig in.
Oh, I don't like that it's like dripping water. It's like
the cubes in it.
it's oozing.
It feels like slime.
Oh.
Tastes like slime. That was weak.
Ugh.
That is disgusting.
You gotta just grab a bigger chunk than that. Come on, Bree.
I grabbed a big chunk. I had a chunk.
Did you see this?
That's
Look at
that.
I don't even know. Can you slurp it?
Oh.
No. Man.
The texture makes it so bad.
Already. This is the best pudding I've ever had.
Why are you eating it? Why are you eating such big bites?
It's for news. Oh,
You're gonna burst.
even the good flavors are not good.
Oh my God.
Alright, this has been the first episode of What's in My Fridge. Thank you, Marie, for helping us taste these puddings.
In conclusion, they're pretty gross.
I mean, they're pretty juicy though.
People, let me tell you about my best